In the heart of New York, lights and horns blare. A gang of farm animals embarks on an urban adventure. Cow and pig pile onto a crowded train, laughing as the car rattles through Manhattan. At night, the gang walks the brightly lit streets, Rooster strutting, Sheep adjusting his glasses, Rabbit sniffing the city air. In a bright boutique, Rooster in bull-brows trendy shirts, swaggeringly trying on a leather jacket. This is style. In a trendy coffee shop, Sheep and Rabbit sip lattes, chatting about city life. On a nearby rooftop, Pig and Sheep stretch out on yoga mats. A herd of bulls strides across the street, halting traffic as taxis honk. At a fancy restaurant, Pig and Rooster, now in lawyer suits, toast with apple juice, laughingly discussing barnyard business. Finally, they all gather on the rooftop of a skyscraper, the city shimmering beneath them. With Cow leading the way, they take an epic selfie, smiling against the backdrop of the New York skyline, their urban adventure immortalized.